What you're seeing is time-lapse footage of Denver traffic during the late afternoon rush hour. At this time of year, traffic levels reach their peak just as the sun sets. The time of sunset is critical to our pollution problem. As the sun goes down, heat is lost from the ground, producing what's called a temperature inversion, where warm air sits over cold air. Because there's no upward movement of air, car exhaust is trapped right along the ground. One proposed solution to the problem is year-round daylight saving time. By staying on daylight time, it would stay light outside longer, and the inversions would occur later. Rush hour traffic would be home before the inversion has a chance to form.
Daylight savings time is, as you mentioned, inexpensive, relatively painless in terms of inconvenience to people, and as productive in reducing our CO levels as anything else we can do.
Opposition to the idea in the past has come largely from people in rural areas, concerned about losing an hour in the morning. Airlines would have to overcome scheduling problems. TV stations would also have scheduling difficulties. And there is concern over businesses being out of sync with other time zones. But an earlier Denver Post News Center 4 poll showed that about 59% of Coloradans would go along with the clock change. And now, a survey of 800 area businesses shows that 74% would favor the change to year-round daylight saving time. The extra hour of daylight could be accomplished in one of two ways. Most likely is simply changing Denver and probably all of Colorado to year-round daylight time. Another possibility is a move to the central time zone. The process of changing the clock is largely political. It starts here with the state legislature, where a bill must be passed requesting a change in what's called the Federal Uniform Time Act.
Well, I think we are probably at least 2 years away, because even if a bill is introduced in the General Assembly this year and passed, then the federal government will have to take action, and that will take at least another year.
It's been estimated the year-round daylight time could cut air pollution by 15 to 20%. Steve Anderson, Environmental Specialist, News Center 4.